It is appalling to see a manufacturer offering in the same region this kind of double standard in safety performance. Disappointed on a manufacturer like Peugeot that usually used to lead the world in terms of state-of-the-art safety. Global NCAP is performing today another car-to-car crash test. In this opportunity, we're going to prove once again the double standard on the same manufacturer in similar markets. This is the Peugeot Partner Patagónica. It's a car produced nowadays in Argentina. The car is equipped with 2 frontal airbags as standard. This vehicle is, according to the regulation in Argentina, meeting all the requirements, and that's why we bought the vehicle in that market. Here we have the Peugeot Rifter, which is considered the new partner. The vehicle is produced in the European Union. It's exported to Latin America. We bought the car in Chile. This vehicle offers as a standard 6 airbags, also electronic stability control, and also autonomous emergency braking system. Of course, there are different generations of vehicles, and both are new, both are produced nowadays, and both are sold today. From this kind of crash test, what we are expecting is to see the difference in protection between one vehicle and the other. In both cars, we're going to be testing at 56 kilometers an hour, each one of the vehicles, and they will be overlapped by 50% of the width of the vehicle. And inside of the cars, we're going to have 2 adults sitting in the front and 2 children sitting in the rear seats. What we likely will see is that the car with the development from the 90s, it's likely to have less protection than the car with a recent development in a better structure, and of course including latest standards and of course state-of-the-art protection for the occupants. Normally, in a car which has certain safety levels, we expect that the doors can be opened easily so you can access the victims right away and offer them the first aid and first care. Now in this vehicle we have a difficulty to open the door, and that clearly goes really against the basic rules or the needs that we have from the rescue side in order to access the victims as quickly as possible. We can clearly see an unstable structure, which is a big concern in this vehicle. As well, the final position of the driver and the readings of the dummy shows that this dummy has a high probability of life-threatening injuries. In this car we have a complete different scenario from the previous one. Here we have a clear, stable structure that prevents any of the interior parts of the vehicle getting closer to the driver. The driver readings were acceptable. The seat belts and also the airbags are offering a good protection for the occupants, especially for the driver's side. The ISOFIX systems, also the child seats, offering a good package of protection for the children and also for the occupants in the front row. It is appalling to see a manufacturer offering in the same region this kind of double standard in safety performance. Disappointed on a manufacturer like Peugeot that usually used to lead the world in terms of state-of-the-art safety. The manufacturer can clearly replace this old model by the latest platforms with much better safety performance and safety protection.